So again, if we look at Synology and how that might benefit people who have low mood, with a lot of people, it's a multifactorial condition. There is no one solution to depression and low mood. So although SSRIs have been used for a long time to help to increase serotonin levels in the brain, we know that they don't work. It's not a single solution. There is no magic bullet to solving mood and depression problems. So again, taking the approach that we have taken with Synology, it may be that there is a lack of serotonin and other neurotransmitters in the brain, things like dopamine, for example. That may be one component. But it may also be that the individual is lacking certain nutrients which have been shown to be beneficial in terms of alleviating mood. There's really good data that suggests that low levels of magnesium, things like low levels of vitamin D, low levels of folic acid can contribute to low mood, and also there are good studies that show by supplementing the individual with those ingredients that you can actually elevate mood. And then we look at other factors that might contribute to low mood. It could be stress and anxiety, for example. And that's where we use adaptogenic herbs, which have been shown to be beneficial in terms of helping the individual overcome stress and manage it. But also there are other ingredients in there, things like magnesium again, vitamin D, that have been shown to be beneficial in terms of relieving stress and anxiety. And one of the key botanicals that we use in the products that we develop to help mood is saffron. Saffron has been shown to be beneficial in terms of as effective in meta-analyses and in systematic reviews, as effective as SSRIs in the relief of mood symptoms. So putting all those three components together, we put together formulations that can help to overcome problems like low mood and depression. And one of the things that we try to do, and we're about to do in that particular instance, is put together a clinical study that demonstrates beneficial outcomes. So we're working with universities to develop a clinical trials program that can demonstrate the benefit of these sorts of formulations. We've already done that with the sleep formulation, where we showed that the individual falls asleep as quickly as they would do if they use melatonin. But clearly, as I said, melatonin's got a very short half-life. So by using the ingredients we use, it means that we supplement the levels of melatonin production when the body needs it most. So what we found in the clinical study was that people stayed asleep for longer, that they enjoyed a better quality of sleep, and that during the daytime they felt more refreshed. So those are the sorts of parameters that we're going to look at in the study that we're about to perform in mood, looking at the way in which we can help to deliver beneficial outcomes to patients who might have low mood or on the verge of depression.